Do not get shaken out from Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is getting a small rejection, but this is going to be a massive trap. And another good opportunity is going to be approaching. So we'll need to be talking about that exactly. In today's update video, need to be talking about Ethereum because something massive is happening for Ethereum right now and many more things we need to discuss. So as always, let's get started with a shorter time frame. And in a shorter time frame, Bitcoin has been getting a rejection back to the downside. Of course, the Bitcoin price action has been playing out beautifully. We've been anticipating this breakout over here. We've been anticipating this breakout of this falling wedge pattern over here. And we have been initiating our next leg to the upside. However, yesterday, I have been telling you that we have been running into a level of resistance we need to be aware of, and we might be possibly headed for a little bit of a range over here. And that is why yesterday I've been talking about this potential scenario that we could be getting a rejection, and in the case of a rejection, I'm going to be having a look into the 106.5k level next. Now, I will be once again starting off with saying that if we're going to be reaching this level, I definitely do think it will be a very good opportunity. This rejection which we are getting and this dump which we are getting is just going to be a huge shakeout, because in that longer time frame, I do think Bitcoin is going to be headed much higher. The structures are still looking good. The data is still looking good. The metrics are still looking good. So do not get fooled at this moment. We'll be looking at that right now, because first of all, we have been getting this Bitcoin falling wedge breakout to the upside, right? And we have been anticipating this for a long time. We've been beautifully opening up our position at the point of this falling wedge breakout. On top of that, in that shorter time frame, also this shorter time frame falling wedge pattern, and I still do have my VX trade open from that smaller falling wedge position. Anyways, in that longer time frame, the bear trap has been getting finished. We have been seeing a massive shakeout over here, and we have been shaking out all of the weekends during this liquidity grab, during the global liquidity, which has also been moving to the downside. Right now, it's starting to move to the upside again. So definitely, I think the bear trap is already finished, and we are about to be headed even more to the upside. We are about to continue the momentum to the upside. So looking very good. The shakeout, the real shakeout, has already been finished. And this is just going to be a minor dump just to get a very good entry in the market, in my opinion. If we're going to be zooming out, well, this structure is still looking very beautiful and still is looking very okay to be headed even higher. I mean, I would not be surprised to see a retest and just see a very explosive move to the upside right after. Anyways, having a look into the data, well, the data is looking extremely bullish still, because the Bitcoin funding rates are trading at neutral levels. Majority of the market is still trading short. We can be seeing in this in the Bitcoin liquidity, because the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is currently piling up on that top side. We always tend to take out a majority of the Bitcoin liquidity. 90% of the Bitcoin traders tend to get wrecked, and 90% of the Bitcoin traders are trading short. Liquidity is on the top side. So just very likely that we are about to see another move to the upside. Just having a look into the data, Bitcoin funding rates are trading extremely low. We are not in these very high areas where we should be cautious and we should be very careful. No, we are still at extremely low areas. So I do think Bitcoin is yet to go even higher. Also, the spot premium percentage is also very low, even in the negative. So I'm not cautious at all, or I'm not worried at all. Yes, of course, I'm going to be slightly cautious because of this range, but I'm not worried at all. I still do think that Bitcoin is yet to go much higher. I have my targets sitting at that 117k level. Of course, this has been that previous level of resistance where I have been saying off. Do keep in mind that if you want to take some profits, this is not a bad point to be taking some profits off the table at these previous high points. But at 117k level is going to be my ultimate target for Bitcoin. Other than that, 123k level, which is the Fibonacci level of resistance, the next Fibonacci level of resistance, and after that, these are going to be my bull market targets. After that, I think we're going to be entering a bear market, but I've been talking about this already extensively in this My Crypto Exit Strategy video. So make sure to go ahead and watch that. But anyways, we have been beautifully predicting this market over here. But I do not think that the massive opportunity at this moment is with Bitcoin. I think a massive opportunity is somewhere else. And I've been extensively talking about that in my VIP group, which is completely free, my platinum group. The first link down below. You can be joining it completely for free. Just hit it down below, sign up with the bot, and you'll be getting access. On top of that, you can also claim a $30,000 deposit bonus over on VX right here. There's a tutorial video on how to claim it. So yeah, be sure to be joining the VIP group because I've been extensively talking about this massive opportunity, which we are having in the crypto market right now with Ethereum. I think Ethereum is about to be absolutely exploding. I'm always telling you guys, if you have missed out on a previous opportunity, because we have been absolutely nailing the market, there's always going to be another opportunity. And right now, I think the massive opportunity is going to be within Ethereum. I think Ethereum is about to be absolutely exploding to this targeted $3,400 level. And I've been giving all of my reasonings inside of the VIP group. I have been telling you even before the pump has actually been starting to happen. Right over here, I've been telling you I'm going to be entering my positions, and right now we are headed much higher, and I'm sharing a lot more alpha in this group all of the time. For example, RSS3, and yesterday after this screenshot over here, it started pumping like crazy. I made a nice plus 200% on that one over here. So yeah, congratulations, doing very nice in this group. A lot of alpha is being shared. Anyways, I just think that the massive opportunity is within Ethereum at this moment. Going to be reaching the target over here. That's going to be what I'm going to be targeting. I've been opening up a big position over on Ethereum just to anticipate this breakout. ETH BTC is looking very bullish with this bullish pennant being created. And what is very surprising is that yesterday we have had $240 million of Ethereum inflows through the ETFs. While for the Bitcoin ETFs, we have only had $160 million of inflows. So this is huge. Wall Street is accumulating Ethereum massively right now behind the scenes. While nobody is paying attention, everybody is still bearish on Ethereum. I have all my reasonings to believe that Ethereum is about to explode anytime soon. In this last part of the cycle, the money rotation is starting to happen. We are falling below this moving average for the RSI indicator. So yeah, the money rotation is literally about to happen from Bitcoin into Ethereum. Altcoins are about to explode, definitely in this last part of the cycle. It is looking very good. I am not fading it. The Bitcoin dominance looks to be topped out, and altcoin season looks to be having started, right? And I've been preparing myself massively for this upcoming alt season. I hope you have been doing the same exact thing, because we have been extensively talking about that exactly. Anyways, guys, with that being said, let me know in the comments down below what you think about that. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.